the issue of persecution is not something that is palatable to talk about. Nobody wants to be persecuted. Do you want to go through trouble?
No.
You like to everything to
Yes.
go well,
Yes.
and then to be enjoying. You don't like to go through hard times. We all like good times. And but today God wants to tell us that we must learn to stand up for Jesus. The reason being that hard time will come. It is deception for you to think that as you go out today, you may think that, oh, everything is going to be well. Yes, God promised us that He will be with us, but not always things will go the way we expect. So there is always a time that things go the other way.
Yeah.
This is the time of